So I want to get access underneath the trailer, and I'm going to flip it on its side, I think. I can't put it on its end because the roof isn't high enough. So I'm going to put some stuff down here to protect the wheel arch. And we'll see. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Well, it seems to have worked. It gives me really good access underneath to prep the surface and then paint it green. So, awesome. So there we go, there's 2 coats of olive drab on the bottom. You need to ignore the shocks and the axle and the springs because they'll come off at some point to get restored separately. So 3 coats are on. The underneath, the bulk of the underneath is done. I've fitted some bump stops and I might look to do the wiring harness and get that done. Watch this space. So quite a bit of work. Wiring harness is in, connected up to the lights. Follows the original path. Bump stops are in. A new handbrake cable. And I've just installed the lever as a test fit. And everything works.